black. For the rough, rugged, and raw way, this nigga Jay, it's a game, but he don't play. Ay, for all the chicks that got dead in the penthouse suite on top of my mom's crib. And it's nonsense you never get in. It's nonsense that you would think that you would ever get in. It ain't nothing but a party, y'all. Me and my crew go home, we never. It ain't nothing but a party, y'all. Me and my crew go home, we never gonna stop. It ain't nothing but a party, y'all. Me and my crew go home, we never gonna stop. It ain't nothing but a party, y'all. Me and my crew go home, we never go slow. You are now tuned in to a real spit kicker. Catch me rocking cookies in a little wrist splitter. Yes, this is you heard, and I'm known worldwide. That's my word. You can check the Rolodex and take a look at the number. Got connection incidental all the way down to under. It's the F to the D, baby. Frank in the day. Told you pause, take a sip of your drink. Made the ladies when they grown have to sip of their drink. I said F to the D, baby. What did you think? What's gonna happen if you let Frank and think in the door, son? The tree's gonna be smoking and your girl is gonna catch one. I'm looking for the best one so she can be next, son. Get it real live with me, get them the best one. To get you unadulterated actual facts. I like the ones that get down like that. You know what they ain't nothing but a party, y'all. Me and my crew go home, we never gonna stop. It ain't nothing but a party, y'all. Me and my crew go home, we never gonna stop. It ain't nothing but a party, y'all. Me and my crew go home, we never gonna stop. It ain't nothing but a party, y'all. Me and my crew go home.
It's your man's game, more you know. I'm a bona fide, certified, qualified pro. Known to have the bullets coming out to my show. Yeah, buckle up.
First of all, screenshot those scary things. I don't know about saying buckle up anyway. Maybe you should eat your makeup. You can use on the inside. This is me, I live this. Asked the Lord for a hoe, he said no, so I stole one and asked for forgiveness. I speed up in the computer in the 30 ways, concentrated, giving niggas what you want. They gave me 45 and let me tell them another day. Buckle up, you boss. Go down and fuck, pump it up, and sing on the promo now. Pimpin', gift the gab. If you wanna take the ride with me, buckle up, it's different nature. I'm just trying to get on my feet. You always on my mind, you heard your back of my time. You look like control me, baby. Watch for the turn, let's pray for you. If you wanna take the ride with me,
This ain't enough. Make it enough.
give me some of your body therapy.